Today I'm going to be sharing with you my morning routine. So usually I wake up around 6, maybe 7 sometimes, and usually I get waken up by one of my cats. So this morning it was my little male cat Turk woke me up, and that's pretty usual, I would say. So I just usually spend a few minutes playing with the cat, petting him, telling him I love him, how beautiful he is, because he's like just the sweetest cat ever. Then I'll stretch out a little bit, just kind of get the body flowing. This morning Derek was making coffee, so I was like, can you make me some coffee? And he did. So I had a little espresso this morning. Usually I drink tea, but if he's up, I'll drink coffee. Then I just spend a little bit of time checking emails, responding to some customer service stuff. And my favorite email to read is this one by Tut. It's Notes from the Universe. So if you just Google Notes from the Universe, you can get these for free. I love them. Then I usually go downstairs. I have a habit now of lighting incense and a little bit of sage every morning. So I'll just light that to make the house smell good and clear out any negative energy or bad energy from the day before. Grab some water. And then sometimes I'll steal some of Derek's smoothie or whatever he made. Then I'll go outside if the dogs are out there and just greet them, pet them for a little bit, soak in some of the crisp morning air. It's still pretty cold here in Arizona in the morning, so it's like 50 degrees and it just feels really nice to go out there and just hang out for a minute. This morning Derek was leaving pretty early to go work on a job, so I just said goodbye to him. And then I usually go in the bathroom. I will comb out my hair because I always wear it in a bun at night just to keep it out of my face and keep it from getting really ratty. And like everyone else, I'll brush my teeth. We don't have a sink in our bathroom because we live in a tiny house and we didn't have enough room for it, so we use the shower. So I will brush my teeth. And then I always use this mouthwash. That's like a really hardcore mouthwash, but it's a remineralizing mouthwash, so it helps you to prevent cavities and stuff like that. And then I will just get ready for the day. So I usually spray the Sea Minerals mist on my face from Osea, just to kind of wake up my skin. And then I do my simple makeup routine, which I'll share with you guys really quickly. I use this sun protection tinted moisturizer, so I don't need to use foundation because it really just evens out my skin. And then I will just kind of fix my eyebrows. I use the Anastasia Brow Wiz, which I'll link everything that I've mentioned in this video in the description box for you guys. Then I put on a little bit of this like contour bronzing stuff from Tarte. I just put it random places that I've learned from beauty gurus on YouTube, just because I don't like to put eyeshadow and stuff all over my face every day. And I blend everything in with my fingers just because I'm too lazy to clean brushes, basically. Put on a little bit of mascara, some chapstick, and then I just put on like a tiny bit of this Tarteist stuff, and that's it. Then I will go outside, do some yoga. This morning I did a bunch of hip openers to start. I've been working on my splits quite a bit lately, and also my headstands and handstands. So that's basically what I've been doing in this entire video. Here's just kind of a little snippet of my yoga routine. And then after yoga, I will walk the dogs, just take them for a quick jaunt around the property just to get our legs moving and to give them a little bit of exercise in the morning. After that, when we get home, I will make some breakfast. Lately, I've been super obsessed with this combination of granola, toasted coconut, peanut butter, and then I just pour a smoothie on top and I just eat it out of a jar. I absolutely love this breakfast. It is amazing. Yeah, I'm basically just obsessed. And then I typically just start working for the day, and that's my morning routine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.